Hi guys, I'm doing this fun ride and it's a green one. So I'm gonna go right now. Let's go do so fun. Okay, this is the one. This is gonna be fun. I actually like this ride. I tried it many times. So here I go again. Woo! That was fun. That was fun actually. But I want another slide, so it's gonna be so much fun. So it's this big slide over here. So I am a little bitty scared of it. So I'm gonna go at it. We're in the ocean right now. Well, not in the ocean. So we're gonna go baby, boop, bop, baby, boop, bop, boop, bop. So we're gonna go. Here I go, let's come at one. I'm going on the red one, guys. And it's a little bit scary, but I'm going. Okay, are you ready, guys? I'm not. Okay, here I go. Wait, scaredy, Scotty.